Hi, my name is Beth and I'm the sewing pattern designer and blogger at Sew DIY. Today I am very excited because I am re-releasing two of my patterns. I have revamped and resized the Lubox Dress 1 and Lubox Dress 2. As you probably guessed from the name, these dresses are relatives to the Lubox top and the pattern pieces can be mixed and matched. So you will have lots of possibilities. And especially now that the sizing is updated, it's going to exactly correlate to the sizing of the Lubox top. So it now fits a bust size of 32 to 58 inches or 81 to 147 centimeters, if I remember that correctly. And there are 17 sizes in there, so you can really pick the one that will best suit your body and your preferences. The pattern has also been updated to now fit a height of 5'10". I am a tall person myself. That's really a lot of the reason why I love sewing and sewing garments especially. So I wanted to serve that part of the community and offer patterns that will automatically fit a taller person better. That said, these patterns are also pretty easy to adjust, and there are length and shorten lines so that you can shorten or lengthen as needed. Let's start with the Lubox Dress 1 and take a look at both views. The Lubox Dress 1 has a medium scoop neck and a curved hem. View A features elbow-length cuffed sleeves and inseam pockets. When made in a knit fabric like this one, it has an optional hemband. The Lubox Dress 1 View B has large patch pockets and short cuffed sleeves. When made in a woven fabric, it has hem facings to finish the curved hem. So just like the Lubox top, both of these dresses are suitable for woven or for knit fabric, and the pattern includes instructions for both methods. So it's really comprehensive. You don't have to do any guessing about converting it from one type of fabric to another. The Lubox Dress 1, because it's kind of a boxy shape, I think it's really suitable for a wider range of fabrics. So you can do a lightweight linen or even a heavier weight linen or something like a sweatshirt fabric. It actually makes a really fun sweatshirt dress, and when you wear it with leggings, it's really fun to wear in the winter or transitional seasons. But at the same time, if you make it out of linen, you can make a really cool caftan and stay super cool and breezy in the summer. Let's now take a look at the Lubox Dress 2. The Lubox Dress 2 features a gathered elastic waist, scoop pockets, and a ballet style neck. View A has 3/4 length tapered sleeves. Here it is in a woven. View B of the Lubox Dress 2 has full-length tapered sleeves and a low scoop back. This version is made in a knit fabric. Because the Lubox Dress 2 is fitted at the waist with elastic, I recommend using lighter weight fabrics. So you can use a lighter weight kind of t-shirt knit or a nice rayon, viscose, something that has some drape and that won't feel uncomfortable or bunched up when it's gathered at your waist. Again, this is a great dress to layer, and because it comes with long sleeves, it's also great for winter months in addition to the summer months. Well, I hope that you're as excited as I am about these two patterns. I think they're great wardrobe builders. They're really pretty beginner friendly, and they can be mixed and matched with the Lubox top for endless variations and hacks. I will put links down below in the show notes so that you can go purchase your very own copy. You can purchase the two dresses separately or together as a bundle for a discounted rate. Nice, right? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all my tips, tutorials, and future pattern releases. Happy sewing!